2, 1. Okay, so for this lesson, we're going to be doing solve linear system by elimination. For the previous video, we did it with through substitution, so this is a different method for doing it. Alright, so there are 3 cases that we're going to cover. Case number 1, use addition to eliminate variable. So in this case, this is our equation number 1, and this is our equation number 2. So EQ1, EQ2. Now, if we pay attention closely to these 2 equations, you're going to see that on the variable y, they have pretty much the exact same thing except opposite sign. So whenever you run into this situation where they're opposite but with the same number, what you can do right away is combine like term or pretty much use the addition. So just kind of like adding top and the bottom together. So what we're going to do here, we're just going to combine like term. So right here, 4x plus or minus 2x, so pretty much just 4x minus 2x, so I get 2x. Negative 3y plus 3y, that just cancel out. So nothing left there. 5 plus negative 7. 5 plus negative 7, that's pretty much 5 minus 7. So that's going to give us negative 2. So right there, we already eliminate the y. Now after this, solve for x. So this is multiplication, so we're going to divide both sides by 2. Negative 2 divided by 2, that's going to give us x equal to negative 1. Now all we got to do is substitute negative 1 back into the x to one of them, and then solve for y. So I'm going to use the first equation. So we have 4x minus 3y equal to 5. I already know my x is equal to negative 1. So I'm going to substitute these into negative 1. 4 times negative 1 minus 3y equal to 5. 4 times negative 1 is negative 4 minus 3y equal to 5. Add 4 on both sides. So the 4 and the negative 4 cancel. Then you get negative 3y equal to 9. Divide both sides by negative 3. Remember, negative divided by negative is positive, so that's just positive y. Positive divided by negative is negative, so 9 divided by 3 is 3. So therefore, our final answer, remember to write your answer in order pair. So the x come first, negative 1, the y second, negative 3. And this is the solution to the system for case number 1 with addition. Now, move on to case number 2. This one we're going to use subtraction. How come not addition? Because it's very similar to the first one, except this one, the 3 y's are the same sign. So if we try to do addition, it won't work because 3y plus 3y give you 6y. So that's not really going to eliminate the variable. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do subtraction, which means whenever you do subtraction, just to remember that change the sign to all 3 of them. So this was positive 5x, so it's going to be minus 5x. This is going to turn into negative 3y, and the minus is going to turn into a plus. Now we're good to go. So we change the sign. Again, one more time, this is a subtraction method. So the easiest way to do it is just change the sign on the second one. Now, 4x minus 5x, that's going to give me negative 1x. And these 2 are opposite of each other, so therefore they eliminate. And 2 plus 2, that's give me 4. Now, you're not quite done yet. Negative x equal to 4 and negative 1x equal to 4 is pretty much the same. We got to get rid of these negative right here. So I'm going to divide both sides by negative 1. 4 divided by negative 1 is negative 4. Now we're done with that part. Do the same thing. We're going to substitute this into one of the equations. So I know x is negative 4. So I'm going to substitute x equal to negative 4 in here. So 4 times negative 4 plus 3y equal to 2. So right here it's going to be negative 16 plus 3y equal to 2. Take care of the 16 by adding 16 on both sides. Opposite, remember that? Then you're going to get 3y equal to 18. Divide both sides by 3. So y is equal to 6. So my final answer for this one is -4, +6. And we're going to go into case number 3 on the next video clip, okay?